To meet the requirements of present-day combat, the infantry is equipped with armored personnel carriers. This infantry, mechanized infantry, has been created to cooperate with tanks in mobile actions. Moreover, she is capable to fight dismounted. Part 1. The squad vehicle. A cursory look at the vehicle and its occupants. The APC is an armored, full-tracked vehicle with a crew of 1 rifle squad, a machine gunner and a driver. The vehicle is armed with a carrier-mounted .50 machine gun capable of firing in all directions. The carrier is fitted with a powerful engine. The total strength is 11 men. Number 1, squad leader. From 2 to 6 inclusive, rifleman. Number 7, assistant machine gunner. Number 8, machine gunner. Number 9, assistant squad leader. Number 10, .50 machine gunner. Number 11, driver. Hatches and doors enable in various ways quick access into and out of the carrier. The armor protects against light infantry weapons, shell fragments, and gives a fairly good protection in NBC warfare. With opened hatches, the squad can observe well and is able to fire from the carrier if necessary. When the hatches are closed, observation is possible through ports. Under these conditions, the .50 gunner can observe using periscopes. And so can the squad leader and the driver. The infrared searchlight is mounted besides the headlights. The APC also provides room for equipment, ammunition, weapons, rations, mines, and so on.
Bravo hier 1. 10 uur, 100, in opstelling. Uit.
The vehicular radio installation enables communication with other vehicles. With the aid of a switch box, squad leader, .50 gunner and driver can transmit and speak to each other by intercom. Each of them has a chest set and a helmet with mic and headset at his disposal. The APC has a great cross-country capability. Great maneuverability, climbing ability uphill of 35 degrees. Ditch crossing ability of 6 feet 9 inches. Climbing ability vertical 2 feet 2 inches. Driving on railway tracks is possible so that a railway bridge can be used to cross a water obstacle. Fording ability is 2 feet. Maximum speed is 40 miles per hour. Part 2. The APC in action. A mechanized